Dr. Thomas Tingle, board-certified fellowship-trained orthopedic sports medicine. I've been practicing for the past 20 years. I was a high school athlete and played collegiate football, and that sparked my interest in orthopedic surgery when I was going to medical school. I'm involved in the community, have taken care of a number of high school football teams. That's one of the highlights of my practice, is being on the sidelines of football games and sporting events and enjoying the community and also being part of it. The most important thing to me are my patients, and I truly care about them. My approach is to never offer or do anything to one of my patients that I wouldn't have done to myself or one of my family members. That's what I find the most rewarding, is my relationship with my patients more than anything else. I treat all patients with the goal of restoring their previous function, but also attempt to be realistic with patients, with their expectations. Certainly with younger patients, the treatments at times can be more aggressive. With more mature patients, try to manage expectations and also be realistic.